बी द बेस्ट एवर स्पोकन क्लास, इसका फैसला आप करेंगे। वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। अभी आपको करना क्या है, ड्रिल नंबर 1। आपके सामने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हुए हैं मेरे स्टाइल में, बिल्कुल मुझे कॉपी करते हुए मेरी ही टोन में आपको इनको रिपीट करना है।
ठीक है, समझ गया।
बिल्कुल मेरी तरह। आइए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, पहली बात तो ये, एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, एज फार एज यू आर कंसर्न, जहां तक तुम्हारी बात है मेरी बात है, आई विल स्टार्ट विद, मैं इससे शुरू करूंगा। देयर इज नो डिनाइंग द फैक्ट दैट, इस बात को कहने में कोई नकार नहीं सकता। नेक्स्ट वन इज आई लाइक टू से दैट, मैं कहना चाहूंगा एज वी नो, जैसा हम जानते हैं, इन माई ओपिनियन, मेरे ख्याल में, एज फार एज आई नो, जहां तक मैं जानता हूं, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, ईमानदारी से कहूं। अब इन्हीं सबको एक बार स्पीड में बिना हिंदी के हम बोलते हैं। आइए मेरे साथ शुरू कीजिए। आई लाइक टू से दैट, as we know, in my opinion, as far as I know, honestly speaking, as far as I am concerned, as far as you are concerned, I'll start with, there is no denying the fact that first of all, first thing first. इतना बोल पाए? हाँ बोल पाए। Next one is, आपको अब इन sentences को flow में मेरी तरह बोलना है, बिल्कुल मेरे साथ मेरी तरह। I believe, I think, I mean, I guess। क्या बोल पा रहे हैं? एक बार और बोल लेते हैं। I believe, I think, I mean, I guess। I believe, बिना देखे बोल सकते हैं क्या? I believe, I think, I believe, I think, I mean, I guess। क्या ऐसे ही बोल पा रहे हैं? बिल्कुल बोल पा रहे हैं। ठीक है, ड्रिल कंप्लीटेड। ड्रिल नंबर 2, खेल शुरू होता है अब। आपके सामने कुछ सेंटेंसेस है, एक बार इस पे गौर कीजिएगा। I understand, I mean, मैं समझता हूं। I don't understand, do I understand, how do I understand। एक बार और फिर से देखकर, एक बार मेरे सामने देखकर, I understand, I don't understand, do I understand, how do I understand, why do I understand। एक बार बिना देखे, I understand, I don't understand, do I understand, how do I understand, why do I understand। Next one is I go, I don't go, do I go, where do I go, why do I go, when do I go। okay, एक बार बिना देखे, I go to Delhi, I don't go to Delhi, do I go to Delhi, why do I go to Delhi। क्या हम बोल पा रहे हैं इतना? बिल्कुल। क्या इसको आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं हम? बिल्कुल। I love you, I don't love you, do I love you, why do I love you। क्या एक बार फिर से बोल सकते हैं? I love you, I don't love you, do I love you, why do I love you, how do I love you। Right? Next one is I really work hard, I don't work hard, do I work hard, why do I work hard। क्या बिना देखे एक बार रिपीट करें? I work hard, I don't work hard, do I work hard, why do I work hard, how do I work hard। इतना कर पा रहे हैं? हाँ सर कर पा रहे हैं। एक बार स्पीड में दोनों बोले क्या? एक बार स्पीड में सारे, एक बार स्पीड में आ जाते हैं। I understand that, I don't understand that, do I understand that, why do I understand that। I go to Delhi, I don't go to Delhi, why do I go to Delhi, and do I go to Delhi। I love you, I don't love you, do I love you, why do I love you। I work hard, I don't work hard, do I work hard, why do I work hard। and the next one is I speak English, I don't speak English, do I speak English, and why do I speak English। I come here, I don't come here, do I come here, why do I come here। I like you, I don't like you, do I like you, why do I like you। I get it, I don't get it, do I get it, why do I get it। I know you, I don't know you, do I know you, how do I know you। I write what I write, I write a letter, I don't write a letter, do I write a letter, why do I write a letter। I learn, what do I learn, I learn English, I don't learn English, do I learn English, and why do I learn English। okay, next one is I talk to you, I don't talk to you, do I talk to you, why do I talk to you। I walk on the road, I don't walk on the road, do I walk on the road, why do I walk on the road। okay, change, there is a change in that। now next drill is थोड़ा सा change। कौन सा change। हमने ये पढ़ा था I believe, I think, let's add these words, ये phrase add करते हैं। आ जाओ पहले लेते हैं I think, I believe लेते हैं। I believe से शुरू करते हैं। very good। I believe I speak English, I believe I don't speak English, I believe, do I speak English, I believe, why do I speak English। I think लगा दे, अब think से शुरू करते हैं। I think I write a letter, I don't think I write a letter, I think, do I write a letter, I think, why do I write a letter। I mean I teach English, I mean I don't teach English, I mean do I teach English, I mean why do I teach English, I mean I like you, I mean, I don't like you. I mean, do I like you? I mean, why do I like you? I guess I come here. I guess I don't come here. I guess do I come here? I guess why do I come here? I mean, I talk to you. I mean, I don't talk to you. I mean, do I talk to you? I mean, why do I talk to you? I believe, I hate him. I believe, I don't hate him. I believe, do I hate him? I believe, why do I hate him? I think I disturb you. I think I don't disturb you. I think, do I disturb you? I think, why do I disturb you? Wonderful. थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं. चेंज क्या करते हैं? I mean, I believe हो गया. अब इनको बोलते हैं. इनके साथ इसको ऐड करते हैं. In my opinion, as we know, I'd like to say that as far as I know, honestly speaking. Let's start with honestly speaking. Okay, बिना देखिए. Honestly speaking, I speak English. Honestly speaking, I don't speak English. Honestly speaking, do I speak English? Honestly speaking, why do I speak English? Next one is honestly speaking. I write a letter. Honestly speaking, I don't write a letter. Honestly speaking, do I write a letter? Honestly speaking, why do I write a letter? Honestly speaking, I like you. Honestly speaking, I don't like you. Honestly speaking, do I like you? Honestly speaking, why do I like you? Next one, as far as I know. As far as I know, I learn English. As far as I know, I don't learn English. As far as I know, do I learn English? As far as I know, why do I learn English? इतना कर पा रहे, बिल्कुल कर पा रहे. Next one is in my opinion. In my opinion, इसको साथ ऐड करते हैं. आ जाओ, सोच के अभी कितने सारे बोले. I mean, in my opinion, I understand it. In my opinion, I don't understand it. In my opinion, do I understand it? In my opinion, why do I understand it? Okay, yes. As we know, we try to learn English. As we know, we don't try to learn English. As we know, I love you. As we know, I don't love you. As we know, do I love you? We know, why do I love you? क्या ऐड कर पा रहे हैं? हाँ, ऐसे ही. क्या फ्लो में प्रैक्टिस हो पा रही है? बिल्कुल हो पा रही है. क्या इसमें थोड़ा सा और ड्रिल में चेंज करते हैं? कर सकते हैं. Let's add first of all and then speak these sentences. First of all, next is I speak English. First of all, I don't speak English. First of all, I love you. First of all, I don't love you. First of all, I try. First of all, I don't try. First of all, I work hard. First of all, I don't work hard. First of all को जबरदस्ती बोलना है, deliberately आपको ऐड करके बोलना है. First of all, I watch a movie. First of all, I don't watch a movie. First of all, I don't watch a movie. As far as, let's add as far as movies are concerned. जहां तक movies का सवाल है, I don't watch movies. I watch movies. ओके, बन रहा है इतना? बिल्कुल बन पा रहा है. वेरी गुड. देयर इज नो डिनाइंग द फैक्ट दैट, अब इसको ऐड करते हैं. देयर इज नो डिनाइंग द फैक्ट दैट what I like you. There is no denying the fact that I don't like you. There is no denying the fact that I cook the food. There is no denying the fact that I eat ice cream. There is no denying the fact that I like you, I love you, I learn English, I study hard, I work hard, I go there, I come here. So you can add these phrases with all these sentences which I just showed you. Okay, next drill is, it's wonderful. मजा आ जाएगा. मजा आ रहा है बिल्कुल फ्लो में. अभी जो नेक्स्ट ड्रिल है वो तो तुम्हें पागल कर देगी. आओ जी. नेक्स्ट वन drill number 3. What is this? I spoke English. Okay, I spoke English. मैंने इंग्लिश बोली. I did not speak English. मैंने इंग्लिश नहीं बोली. Did I speak English? क्या मैंने इंग्लिश बोली? And how did I speak English? मैंने इंग्लिश कैसे बोली? Okay, I get it. Firstly, I was saying I spoke English somewhere in the past. Past में इंग्लिश बोली थी मैंने. कल इंग्लिश बोली थी. ठीक है. फिर मैंने नहीं बोली. I did not speak English. Okay, समझ में आता है. और जब पूछा जा रहा है, सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, Did I speak English? मैंने क्या इंग्लिश बोली थी? Okay. And why did I speak English? Okay. फ्लो बनाते हैं एक बार एक साथ. फ्लो में तेजी से बोलते हैं. देख कर बोलते हैं. देख कर बोल सकते हो क्या? बोलते हैं. I spoke English. I did not speak English. Did I speak English? How did I speak English? Once more. I spoke English. I did not speak English. Did I speak English? Why did I? How did I speak English? अब बिना देखे. I spoke English. I did not speak English. Did I speak English? And how did I speak English? Okay. एक बार और. इस बार तुम बोलो. Okay. The next one is. Okay. I went to Agra. Okay, इसी का पैटर्न है. I went to Agra. I did not go to Agra. Did I go to Agra? When did I go to Agra? Wonderful. I spoke English. Now Hindi. Let's change the sentence with Hindi. I spoke Hindi. I did not speak Hindi. Did I speak Hindi? Why did I speak Hindi? And when did I speak Hindi? I went. Where did you go? I went to Delhi. I did not go to Delhi. Did I go to Delhi? And why did I go to Delhi? When did I go to Delhi? I studied. What did you study? I studied French. I did not study French. Did I study French? And how did I study French? I washed my clothes. I did not wash my clothes. Did I wash my clothes? And why did I wash my clothes? Okay. I waited for you. I did not wait for you. Did I wait for you? And why did I wait for you? And how did I wait for you? When did I wait for you? I liked your picture. I did not like your picture. Did I like your picture? And why did I like your picture? I sent a message to you. I did not send a message to you. Did I send a message to you? And why did and how did I, when did I send a message to you? I saw a movie. I did not see a movie. Did I see a movie? Why did I see a movie or watched? Okay, no problem. I worked really hard. I did not work hard. Did I work hard? And why did I work hard? I came here. I did not come here. Did I come here? When did I come here? Wonderful, wonderful. Let's add something. Let's add some phrases. Okay, let's add these. I believe, I think, I mean, I guess. Okay, and add. I spoke English. I did not speak English. I did not speak Hindi. I went to Agra. I did not go to Agra. I did not go to my class. I studied hard. I learned English. I did not learn English. I washed my clothes. I did not wash my clothes. I washed my mobile phone, unfortunately. I sent you a message. I did not send a message to you. I saw you there. I did not see you there. I worked hard. I did not work hard. I waited for you. I did not wait for you. I replied to you. I did not reply you. I asked a question. I did not ask a question. I thought about you. I did not think about you. I understood it. I did not understand it. I came there. I did not come there. Okay. I think. Let's practice with I think. I think I liked her picture. I think I did not like her picture. I think I sent a text to you. I think I did not send a text to you. I think I saw you there. I think I did not see you there. I think we worked hard. I think we did not work hard. I think I washed my clothes. I think I did not wash my clothes. I think I spoke Hindi. I think I don't speak Hindi. I think I did not speak Hindi, of course. I think I went somewhere else. I think I did not go somewhere else. Okay. I think. Okay. In my opinion, honestly speaking, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, let's add these kind of phrases with this. Okay. As far as I know, जहां तक मुझे पता है, she spoke Hindi. As far as I know, she did not speak Hindi. She did not speak Hindi. She did not speak Hindi. As far as I know, I studied hard. As far as I know, she sent a message to me. As far as I know, I waited for her. As far as I know, they waited for me. As far as I know, she understood it. As far as I know, she did not understand it. As far as I know, I asked a question to him. As far as I know, I did not ask a question to him. As far as I know, she thought about me. As far as I know, she didn't think about me. Wonderful. The next drill. So before moving ahead, I must tell you कि इसी तरह की प्रैक्टिस हम हमारी KS Academy पे कराते हैं, जो कि निर्माण विहार लक्ष्मी नगर दिल्ली में है. अगर आप दिल्ली या फिर NCR से हो और 2-2.5 महीने के अंदर अपने अंदर चेंज लाना चाहते हो, तो तुम्हारे पास गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है. एक बार KS Academy में विजिट जरूर करना. बहुत लिमिटेड सीट्स रहती हैं, लेकिन जो ट्रेनिंग मेथड्स हैं वो बहुत अलग हैं, बहुत हटके हैं. बहुत अलग तरीके से हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करा रहे होते हैं. जैसे ही द मोमेंट यू एंटर आवर एकेडमी, आपको फ़र्क महसूस हो जाएगा कि हाँ, बहुत कुछ अलग वहाँ पे हो रहा है. सो एक बार ज़रूर जाना. लिमिटेड सीट्स रहती हैं. जाके एक बार चेक करना, अपना टेस्ट देना, और आपका पूरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड आपके हाथ में थमा दिया जाएगा. यू मस्ट विजिट देयर. मज़ा आ जाएगा तुम्हें. ड्रिल नंबर 4. आई हैव डन माई वर्क. Work is done. I have done my work. I have not done my work. Have I done my work? Okay, it's very simple. I have done, I haven't done, have I done? Wonderful. वंडरफुल, जो काम कंप्लीट हो गया है। चलो इसके साथ और बना सकते हैं क्या? हम बिल्कुल बना सकते हैं। आओ चलो बनाते हैं। थर्ड फॉर्म लग रहा है हैव आई डन। ओके, हैव आई स्पोकन इंग्लिश, हैव आई नॉट स्पोकन इंग्लिश, आई हैव कम हियर, आई हैवंट कम हियर, have I come here, I have cooked the food, I have not cooked the food, I have done my work, I have not done my work, I have talked to him, I have not talked to him, I have written a letter, I have not written a letter, I have read the newspaper, I haven't read the newspaper, I have heard the news, I haven't heard the news, I have told the truth, I have not told the truth, I have taught English, I have not taught English, I have learnt my lesson, I haven't learnt my lesson, I have watched the movie, I haven't watched the movie, I have disturbed him, I have not disturbed him, I have loved you, I haven't loved you, I have admired you, I have not admired you, I have given everything, I have not given everything, have I given everything? I have liked your picture, I haven't liked your picture, I have liked your video, have you liked my video? Have you liked my video? This video I'm talking about. I have got you, I haven't got you. Have I got you? Have you got me? I have got you. Wonderful. I have sent you a text. I have not sent you a text. I have eaten the food. I haven't eaten the food. I have eaten the ice cream. I haven't eaten the ice cream. I have taken the medicine. I have not taken the medicine. Have I taken the medicine? Wonderful. Wonderful. In my opinion, let's add these phrases to this. Okay, come on. In my opinion, I have read the newspaper. She has read the newspaper. In my opinion, I have known her. In my opinion, honestly speaking, I have not known her. Honestly speaking, I have sent you a message. Honestly speaking, I have not sent you a message. Honestly speaking, I have cooked the food. Honestly speaking, I have not cooked the food. The crux is कि जो भी phrases in my opinion, honestly speaking, as far as I know, I think, I mean, I guess, ये सब जो मैं तुमसे करवा रहा हूँ, ये तुम्हें deliberately, ज़बरदस्ती अपनी बातों में बोलनी ही है, इनके साथ ऐड करके तुम्हारे मुंह पे honestly speaking आना है. I think, I believe, I mean, ये बार बार लाने हैं. जब भी इंग्लिश बोलने का सोचो, ये फ्रेज अपने माइंड में I think और फिर इनको लेके आओगे, अपने आप आ जाएगा. अब तुम्हें, अगर तुमने पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ, जैसे मेरा गला खराब हुआ है अभी, मेरा गला बैठा है, क्या तुम्हारा गला वैसा बैठा है? क्योंकि जिस तरह से जोश के साथ स्पीड में जोर जोर से मैंने इनको बोला है, तो मेरी फ्लुएंसी बढ़ी है, वैसे ही तुम्हारी भी बड़ी होगी. तो ये फैसला अब तुम्हारा है कि तुमने क्या मेरी तरह प्रैक्टिस की कि नहीं. जिसने की है उसका गला बैठा है और उसकी फ्लुएंसी में फर्क उसे अभी दिख रहा होगा. अभी हमें यहां नहीं रुकना. ड्रिल नंबर 5. व्हाट्स द ड्रिल नंबर 5? और ये ड्रिल्स हमेशा ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस होंगी और जादू होगा, जादू. ड्रिल नंबर 5, वंडरफुल ड्रिल इट इज. क्या है? हैव आई कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. हैव आई done something wrong? Have I spoken English? Have I learnt my lesson? Have I sent you? सोचो. जो भी वर्ब तुम इसके साथ लगा पा रहे हो, क्या उसका मीनिंग बिना हिंदी के तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है कि कहना क्या चाह रहा है, पूछना क्या चाह रहा है? Have I done something wrong? Have I spoken Hindi? Have I done my work? Have I worked hard? Have I learnt English? Have I heard the news? Have I completed my homework? Have I seen you? Have I watched the movie? Have I sent you a message? क्या इस तरह से तुम बना पा रहे हो? ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करो. वंडरफुल. नेक्स्ट वन इज did I. सबसे ज्यादा मिस्टेक होने वाला है. आओ एक बार बोल के देखते हैं. Did I? Did. That means past, something in past. Did I speak English? Did I hurt you? Did I love you? Did I like your picture? Did I eat the food? Did I come here? Did I go there? Did I go for a walk? Did I walk on the road? Did I disturb you? Did I send you a message? Did I take your pen? Did I meet you? Did I say something? Did I speak something? Did I tell you? Did I ask a question? Did I know you? Did I go there? Okay, can you make these kind of sentences with this only? Did I? Have I? Okay, can you do so? Can you do this? Yes, this is something very passionate. Okay, this is called passion. But passion brings transformation. Yes, passion brings transformation. Okay, so आपको भी ये passion दिखाना है, तभी transformation आएगा. Next drill, my next drill. Do I? What do I do? Do I miss you? Do I go there? Do I love you? Do I like you? Do I learn my lesson? Do I speak English? Do I understand you? Do I understand him? Do I go there? Do I come here? Do I write a letter? Do I send a message? Do I take your pen? Do I call you? These kind of sentences can you make? Okay, let's change this I. Do you? Do you understand me? Do you go there? Do you know me? Do you love me? Do you like me? Do you send me a message? Do you consider me? Do you think? Do you think? इस तरह से करना है. Wonderful. Did she? Let's change the subject again. Did she hurt you? Did she like you? Did she love you? Did she think about you? Did she understand it? Did she get it? Did she learn English? Did she speak English? Did she speak Hindi? Did she abuse you? Did she dance? Did she sing? Did she sing well? Did she perform well? Did she come here? Did she attend the class? Did she teach you? Did she help you? These kind of sentences can you make? Can you make these kind of sentences? Okay, you need to keep practicing. You need to keep your speed very fast. You have to be okay. So I am very sure कि आप इसी स्पीड में कर रहे होंगे. Our next drill is drill number 6. I can means मैं ये कर सकता हूं. क्या क्या कर सकते हो? Let's use all the verbs, all the words which we have just practiced. I can. What you can? I can speak. What you can speak? I can speak English, I can speak Hindi, I can speak Urdu, Marathi, Sanskrit, okay. स्पीड में रुकना नहीं है, जल्दी. I can like your work, I can like your picture, I can like your video, I can like this ice cream. I cannot like this ice cream, I cannot like your picture. Okay. I cannot abuse. I can abuse, I cannot abuse. Okay, I'm getting, okay. Again, what else you can do? Can you think of the verbs? Okay, let me help you a little. Okay. I can speak. Okay. I can come here. I cannot come here. Can I come here? I can cook food. I cannot cook the food. Can I cook the food? I can say something. Can I say something? I cannot say something. I can speak to you. I cannot speak to you. Can I speak to you? I can talk to you. I cannot talk to you. Can I talk to you? Okay. Just बिल्कुल मेरी तरह मिररिंग करनी है. बिल्कुल इसी स्पीड में कोशिश करो. कर सकते हो तुम. I can write a letter. I cannot write a letter. Can I write a letter? How can I write a letter? Why can I write a letter? I can tell you. I cannot tell you. Can I tell you? Okay. Let's add some old phrases. Honestly speaking. Yes, again. Honestly speaking, I cannot write a letter. Honestly speaking, I can write a letter. Honestly speaking, I can send you a text. Honestly speaking, I can know her. Honestly speaking, I cannot cook the food. Honestly speaking, I cannot talk to you. Honestly speaking, I can talk to you. Honestly speaking, I cannot love you. Honestly speaking, I can love you. Honestly speaking, can I teach you? Honestly speaking, I can teach you. Honestly speaking, I can learn my lesson. Honestly speaking, I can speak English fluently. Honestly speaking, I cannot come here. Honestly speaking, I can read anything. Honestly speaking, I cannot read anything. Okay, can you make these kind of sentences? I can make these kind of sentences. I cannot. No, you cannot say you cannot. Okay. The next one is should. The next one is should. You should. Let's make some sentences. You should speak English. Okay. As far as I know. Let's add as far as I know. Okay. जो पहले मैंने phrases कराए हैं ये वाले. जो पहले मैंने ये phrase तुम्हें starting में बिल्कुल कराए थे ये वाले. कहाँ गए ये वाले. इनको ऐड करके ऐसे ड्रिल्स में प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इनको प्रैक्टिस करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट आई कैन ऐसे करके आई विल स्टार्ट विद ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. इस तरह से देयर इज नो डिनाइंग द फैक्ट दैट आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके, इस तरह से. या फिर ये पसंद ना आए तो ये वाले भी. इन माई ओपिनियन एज फार एज आई नो आई लाइक टू से दैट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आई थिंक, आई मीन, आई गेस, these kind of phrases you need to add before speaking those sentences. Okay, इनको ऐड करना है. अभी रखते हैं ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग को लेते हैं, या इन माई ओपिनियन ले लेते हैं. जो भी तुम्हें अच्छा लगे वो ले सकते हो, लेकिन मेरे साथ अभी शुड वाले करते हैं. यू शुड तुम्हें करना चाहिए. व्हाट यू शुड स्पीक इंग्लिश, यू शुड नॉट स्पीक इंग्लिश, शुड यू स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके, इनके 3-4 वैरायटी ना भी लें तो चलेगा. You should, honestly speaking, you should speak English. As far as I know, you should practice. As far as I know, you should go there. As far as I know, you should come here. As far as I know, you should eat something. As far as I know, you should watch my videos. As far as I know, you should like my videos. As far as I know, you should like my picture. As far as I know, you should work hard. As far as I know, you should learn English. As far as I know, you should go there. As far as I know, you should take some rest. Honestly speaking, You can use I think, I mean, as far as I know, as far as I'm concerned, in my opinion, I believe, I reckon, you can use any phrases before this. Okay, next drill. Okay, the next sentence, he must, करना ही चाहिए, जबरदस्ती है. Honestly speaking, he must take rest. He must not take rest. He must learn English. He must work hard. He must go there. He must come here. He must teach. He must practice. Wonderful. Next, I would. बहुत बढ़िया है. मैं ऐसा करता है करूंगा. I would honestly speaking, इतना तो बोल पा रहे होंगे सब लोग, आप बोल पा रहे होंगे. Honestly speaking, I would meet you. मैं तुमसे मिलता या मिलूंगा. I would go there. मैं वहां जाता या जाऊंगा. Honestly speaking, I would work really hard. Honestly speaking, I would meet you. Honestly speaking, I would talk to you. Honestly speaking, I would complete my chapter. Honestly speaking, I would give you 500 rupees. Honestly speaking, I would work really hard. Okay, so these kind of sentences you can make with I would, and you have to keep practice like this only. Okay, so these are our most important drills. करना क्या है, अभी तुम्हें करना क्या है, मैंने जिस तरह से तुम्हें इन ड्रिल्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई है सेम फ्लो में, छोटा सा वीडियो है, इसको दोबारा से तुम्हें मुझे देखते हुए ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करनी है. जिसने एक बार भी ईमानदारी से ऑनेस्टली इसको ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कर लिया, उसे ना टेंस की टेंशन होगी, उसे ना फ्लुएंसी की टेंशन होगी. तुम मुझे बताओ, तुम फैसला करोगे. वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में कहा था, क्या ये बेस्ट एवर स्पोकन की प्रैक्टिस की क्लास है कि नहीं? कमेंट में मुझे जरूर बताना. इंस्टाग्राम पे यहाँ पे कनेक्ट करके रखना. ये पूरा मैं तुम्हारा कोर्स करवा रहा हूँ, कंप्लीट कोर्स है स्पोकन का. जिसको नहीं पता वो सुन लो. 0 से स्टार्ट करके एडवांस पे लेके जाऊंगा. आज लिटरली गला बैठ चुका है इसको प्रैक्टिस करवाने में, और ऐसे ही गला तुम्हारा भी बैठना चाहिए. जितना ये गला बैठेगा उतना तुम्हारा कद ऊंचा होगा इंग्लिश के अंदर, उतना तुम बढ़िया बोल पाओगे. करना क्या है स्पोकन के कोर्स के लिए? तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे जाना, चैनल पे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे. यहाँ पे प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है, उसमें ऐड करता हुआ जा रहा हूँ. ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं होंगे, मैक्सिमम 10 वीडियो होने वाले हैं, और उसी में तुम्हारा ज़बरदस्त ये कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. वीडियो पसंद आई हो, मेरी मेहनत तुम्हें पसंद आई हो अपने भाई की, तो ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक करके अपना प्यार देना. बताना ज़रूर कि कैसा लग रहा है आफ्टर प्रैक्टिस. मैं तुम्हारे कॉमेंट्स का इंतज़ार करूँगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखना अगर नहीं किया तो. Thank you so much for your love, for your time, and have a happy practice session. Okay, see you then. Next video में मिलता है. 3-4 दिन में वीडियो नेक्स्ट मिल जाएगा. Okay, love you all. Bye bye.